Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up your loyalty program using OrderEm. First you want to log into your dashboard, look for your location tab, and then you're going to scroll down to the loyalty tab. Once you're in the loyalty tab, you'll see that you can set up a loyalty program by tracking by one of three methods. One is, as you can see, total amount spent, the number of visits, or the number of orders. Go ahead and walk you through the total amount spent. Just very simply, select an amount that you would like to set as a threshold for the first reward of a client. So let's say you're going to reward someone for reaching a goal of $50 spent. You're going to name that reward, for example, let's just say free entree. And you can add an expiration date. If you don't desire to, you can always uncheck this. And to limit the amount of claims per day, you can simply type in a figure here. If not, you can omit it. And you can always enter instructions in order to redeem or to request a loyalty amount spent. Now you can apply the amount spent to both pickup and delivery orders. You can even require a uploaded receipt or an order ID or even an order amount. And the process is very similar for other types of loyalty. If I try to set up another type of loyalty, it will force me to delete the one that I have currently before I move on. Keep in mind that any current customers that have any loyalty accumulated with you in another, type, they will basically lose that if you do switch.